Any mention?
Lord, I beg to make a mention of item 7, my lord. I am for the state. This matter is taken up after 2 weeks, my lord.
Who is your other side?
I'm there.
But sir, Nongkang.
There's no objection, madam.
Okay, item 7, say on the request made. On the request made by the state, this is matter after 2 weeks. 2 weeks.
2 weeks, my lord.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 4 from the email list, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I'm praying, Lordship, if this matter can be taken up on Friday, Lordship. This Friday. Lordship.
Why Friday?
London Senior Lordship has some personal difficulty, Lordship, today.
Let it be after 2 weeks, my lord.
Lordship, may I make a submission, Lordship? In the court, it's a long pending matter. Lordship, and it's always at the request of the petitioner that has been sought. And so if they have prayed for on the first, if the state respondents are willing to, then we can take up on the first.
On first meaning Friday.
Friday, my lord.
We will not give a fixed date. See, like, we are just giving a fixed date.
After a week, my
We
lord.
fix a matter, matters are red zone, so we are not giving fixed date.
After a week, my lord. We have made all attempts all along
Okay.
to expedite.
On the joint request, on the request made by the, well, you have
Petitioner.
you are also making it.
No. We are saying that suddenly why the urgency is coming when we are trying very hard, they are making excuses.
On the request made by the Learning Council, the petitioner, list this matter after a week.
Lordship, similar prayer for item number 5, Lordship.
This is regarding removal of
All
signboards.
cases are just useless.
That's why, Lordship, I was praying if this item number 5 can be kept on the Friday, Lordship. Will London Senior will be here.
When it has come up for today, why you kept on Friday?
Next week, my lord.
These are cases why you keep these matters pending? Just tell us. It's not serving your purpose also.
Lordship.
Five also next week. Say after a week on the request made by the Learning Council of the petitioner.
And you.
May I please, your lordship? I beg to mention item number 6, joint prayer, lordship.
Item number
6, lordship.
6.
Yes, lordship.
Yes, what happened to Mr. P.T. Sangma?
He's out of station, lordship.
He's out of station.
Yes,
He's
lordship.
very regular man. Why?
After 2 weeks, lordship.
No objection, my lord. We are for the state.
Okay, 6. After 2 weeks, on the request made by the Learning Council for the petitioner. List after 2 weeks.
Lordship, similar prayer for item number 14, lordship.
Here also I have no objection, my lord.
Item number 4 for the private aspect.
14 months of 2 weeks on the request made by the Learning Council of the petitioner.
I am for the private aspect. Item number 14.
Yes, just record these things.
Highly obliged.
Do you have any objection, Mr. Sheikh?
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 13. The conducting council is not keeping us, so let the matter maybe come up after 2 weeks.
Item number 13.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, Your Lordship. The conducting council is not keeping with Your Lordship. He was supposed to conduct from Delhi, Your Lordship.
Your Lordship, appearing on behalf of Respondent 1, we have no objection.
Mr. Thapa, you are also there. Praying for time.
I think she has said that her senior is not well.
Okay. This also after 2 weeks.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yeah, after 2 weeks of the request of the Learning Council for the petitioner. You just write it properly.
Obliged, Your
Just,
Lordship.
this you call after part 1. After first you call the orders, then you go.
Bailiffs, item number 1.
Lordship, I appear for the private respondent here, respondent number 7.
Yes.
Lordship, the petitioner counsel Mr. S. Marpan, he informed me he has filed his status of affidavit. That is status report, Lordship.
You are making a submission on behalf of
He
the.
went to Joy to attend the funeral, Lordship. And
Somebody should have been there on your part. If you ask for time, or then it's okay. I understand. Somebody should be there. Somebody should represent.
Yes, true, Lordship.
Can you represent both
No,
petitioners
Lordship,
then?
no. Because he has filed the status report, he just copies her to me also.
That is only the tracking details. He has not obtained any certificate. The State Department issues certificate. So that has not been done. We will have it. None appears for the petitioners.
Next week.
Mr. S. Sheikh and Mr. Pierre Pascal are present for the response. List is matter after the week.
Deeply obliged, Your Lordship.
Item number 2. Item number 3.
Yes, Mr.
Matter concerning the unnatural death not have issued notice to respondent.
Yes, Mr. Sulai.
This is your Lordship. Lordship, so far the investigation is concerned, your Lordship. The investigation is progressing, your Lordship.
This is underway.
Progressing, your Lordship. What happened, your Lordship? The mother of the victim, the informant has been re-examined. Then the mother of the victim and the brother of the victim also has been examined by the police under 161. Then a PO has been revisited by the IO along with the informant. Then the suspect, your Lordship, was summoned by the police and he was cooperating, your Lordship. And the mobile phone of the alleged suspect also, your Lordship, have been seized and they have been sent to Central Forensic Laboratory
Why
for
don't you
examination.
say all those things by affidavit? We can close the matter on the basis of that.
If Lordship record my statement because this is the instruction from the investigating officer.
Just fix it. Give a small affidavit.
Lordship.
That will be better, isn't it?
Otherwise, your Lordship, my statement. Because this is on the basis of the instruction received, your Lordship.
That will be all right. That will suffice for you, Mr.
Why not an affidavit?
You file one short affidavit. Yes, Miss Colony is there, she will do it. She's expert in doing it. Heard Mr. K.C. Gautam, Lord Counsel of the petitioner, Mr. Andy Shulai, Lord AG appearing with MS Colony, submits that the investigation in the matter has been taken up and it's presently underway. He prays that he may be allowed to file a short affidavit bringing in into the records the progress of the investigation.
After 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
List after?
2 weeks.
List.
Apply, Your Lordship.
Supplementary causeless. Hearing item number 1.
Yes, Mr. Jha.
My lord, I got that not exactly S5, my lord. That judgment is not there, my lord. P2 is there, my lord, by this honorable court.
No, we are consulted with S5.
S5. That's I don't have any.
So that is what your thing will remain there.
Our case is that he was discharged on the ground of S5, my lord, not on P2, my lord.
Yeah, that is what, and he is not denying that in his evident reply. Okay, we'll reserve it then. Yes, this one. Just sir. Hearing concluded, judgment reserved.
Obliged.
Main list. Hearing item number 8.
I'm appearing for the state respondents. Mr. Aso is there. HL Sankrishu.
Lordship, the conducting counsel is on legs. I think this matter may come at the end of the vote. Lordship is ready to take up the matter today.
End of the vote. End of the vote.
Item number 9.
Yes, what is the matter?
Sir, in item number 9, this is on hearing stage. Actually, our petitioner has been court-martialed from the Assam Rifles. So first, I would like to just 5 minutes. I would like to give a brief on that, so that we understand what we are talking. This gentleman, he is a soldier, the last rank in the hierarchy, having put up 18 years of service in Assam Rifles, 38 years of age, and having 3 minor kids, along with family staying here in Happy Valley. In Happy Valley, he was on extra regimental duties. Actually, he came from Manipur. He was sent here to do some duties here, and he was attached with Arasu. Arasu is Assam Rifles Administrative and Support Unit. So what happened, my lord? Here we have in Happy Valley Director General Assam Rifles. In that, around 70% officers are on deputation from army, and 30% officers are from the parent, Assam Rifles cadre. So to cater to the domestic duties or buddy duties, this Arasu caters for army officers to work with them as a buddy duties. So buddy duty is a thing that it's a sahayak. Earlier during colonial time they used to call buttman, then buddy, and now it has been termed as sahayak. So this gentleman,
what duty they perform? What practically?
Yes, sir. I will tell you, sir. As per army regulations, they are supposed to perform. They are supposed to assist only officer. It has been even highlighted by Standing Committee of Parliament on Defence Matters in 2013 that it has been seen that buddies, instead of serving officer, they are working as a buttman in the houses and serving their wives and children and dogs. So this is a colonial practice. It is on record here with the court also. So this blot should be forthwith immediately stopped. But that's a matter of story. Still it is going on. So this body was attached because he came here in October 2019. After briefly working for 1 month with his own Assam Rifles officers, he was attached with one lieutenant colonel from army to work as a buddy. Now during January 2020, he goes to army officer lieutenant colonel and start working there for good 1.5 years. Despite the officer having reputation of kicking their buddy out within 6-7 days, that we will dwell later. But this gentleman, because of his character, he worked for 80...
That officer is a party here?
Yes, officer is a party, sir.
By name?
By names.
Anybody appearing for that officer?
Yes.
By name?
Officer's wife. Officer's wife is a party.
By name?
Yes, by name. Officer's wife.
Anyone appearing for that?
Okay.
No.
This is against state. DGAR.
The question is that whether the person against whom you are bringing in this allegation,
yes,
has been made a party or not? No.
Sir, on behalf of army, he is party, but directly he has not been mentioned.
That is what you say. Why initially you say he has been made, then you say his wife.
I'm sorry. Then I apologize. Let me continue. So, sir, what happened? 1.5 years, he works unblemished career. And I would like to reiterate here that during his 17-18 years of service, he is not having any red ink entry.
Come to the issue here.
Okay,
yes.
I'll come to the issue, sir. So what happened, sir? During April 2021, after 1.5 years, on 25th April, the cook of the officer goes on suddenly leave. The wife of the officer, she compels him that you should do jhadu pocha and bartan, that is menial jobs. That time he told the madam, this is not my job, I'm here to support officer, do his boot polish and all, and I don't know this job. He started coercing him because she was left without any cook. So what happened during that time, on 27th and 28th April of 2021, the petitioner went to his bosses, that is BHM, and reported this matter. That, sir, I am being compelled by madam, but I don't want to do this job. This is a formal complaint I am lodging here.
Where is that complaint? Where is that complaint? Is it attached?
No, sir. This is a matter of the court of inquiry. But it is mentioned here. It is mentioned in the proceedings of the court. It is mentioned. It is on record. But all those documents are held with court because to reach to General Assam Rifles Court, that is court martial, before that they have got 2 stages also. Court of inquiry, summary of evidence. Then after that they reach. So that when he reported that matter, the BHM Ram Bahadur Bania has even given the submission during cross-examination in the court that yes, this gentleman came and he reported. Right, sir? On 30th April, thinking that this gentleman is not going to do any menial work, the lady in question, who is a wife of the Lieutenant Colonel, she hired one domestic help named Monica. That lady started working from 30th April till 22nd May. Now after 22nd May, this COVID zone came in. So where Monica was staying in Shillong, that complete area was declared red zone and she also stopped working. So now 22nd May has come. Again this lady in question left without any servant. From 22nd, within a span of 1 month, from 22nd May she started doing, but on 28th May, on the fateful day, she put down her foot and she directed the body that you will have to do.
This court will not get anything. The things will get mixed up. Come to the things.
Okay.
Where is the Where the thing starts? Where is the statement of allegation against you? Whatever.
I will, sir. I will.
What is the impugn order?
Sir, we have submitted one last document on page 3. Sir, if you allow me for one more minute, I will be able to conclude, sir. After that, we can come to this. Yes. Okay. Then what happened, sir? On 28th May, when she told that you will have to do Jhadu Pocha and Bartan, that time he refused and he immediately walked out of the house and he reported to his authorities. Then, when she came to know that this has been reported to the authority, that time she put an allegation of 354 and 509. After that, this whole story starts. And he has been convicted for 1 year and dismissed from the service. Now, in this, what happened, sir? When the GARC was convened by convening authority, the GARC was convened by convening authority, that is officiating DGAR. The officiating DGAR was Brigadier Tapan Lal Shah from the GS branch. He appointed 5 people for the bench. In those 5 people, 3 members were from Army and 2 members were from Assam Rifles. The presiding officer of the bench, the court martial, was also Colonel Vikas Singh. He was also from GS branch, same branch. And the complainant's husband also is from same branch, GS branch. So what happens? There is a provision, there is a right. If I am accused brought before the court martial, they will read out the name, and as per section 106, I can object the members of any member of the bench. So as per 106, I objected that 3 army officers are not supposed to be there in this bench. This bench should be convened. Basically the composition of the bench should be from Assam Rifle officers. Now here I would like to reiterate the section 106, because when we have put
section 106 of what?
Assam Rifles Act.
Where is that Assam Rifles Act?
(106) challenges, sir. May I read, my lord?
1 second. 1 minute. Yes.
Yeah. My lord, 106 gives the right to challenge to the accused at all trial by General Assam Rifle Court, that is court martial, or by Petty Assam Rifles Court. As soon as the court is assembled, the name of the presiding officer and the member shall be read out over to the accused, who shall thereupon be asked whether he objects to being tried by any officer sitting on the court. If the accused object to such officer, his objection and also the reply thereto of the officer objected to shall be heard and recorded, and remaining officers of the court shall, in absence of the challenged officer, decide on the objection. If I am objecting all three officers, first they will decide the junior most, remaining all four, and then the next one, and the next one, and the next one. If the objection is
tell the procedure again.
Fine.
How many?
Sir, in that, out of 5, we objected 3.
The court consists of how many officers?
5, sir. 5, sir. In that 5, sir.
In this case. In this case. Now, what happens if there is objection with regard to all 5?
It can be. It can be, sir.
It can be.
Yeah, it can be. Then it has to be decided by the Assam Rifles convening authority. Okay. Then 106.
Now, here in your case, here the out of 5, there was objection with regard to 3.
Out of 5, I will tell you, my lord. Out of 5, yes, we objected for 3.
Okay.
Why we objected for 3? Because I am from Assam Rifles. I am subject to Assam Rifles Act 2006. The army officers are subject to Army Act 1950. In Assam Rifles Act, if I may take my lord to Assam Rifles.
Tell us the facts first. Then what happened?
Okay.
Then what happened?
Okay.
If you jump from here to there, the court will not get anything.
Fine, sir. Fine. So, sir, what happened, sir? Out of these 3, they are not subject to Assam Rifle Act.
Okay. After you raised the objection, then what happened?
Yes. After when we raised the objection, then what happened? Then that is mentioned in Rule 70 of Assam Rifles rules. Very clear-cut procedure is given.
No, what happened in your case?
In my case,
yes, so after you raised the objection,
70 and 106 was not at all, they were just rubbished. They did not follow anything.
So
they straightaway went ahead.
So that happens before the inquiry starts, isn't it?
Yes, before. So it means that has rendered.
So your objection was not entertained.
Not entertained.
They proceeded.
Yes, they proceeded.
Did you challenge it?
Yes, I challenged. Yes, I challenged it.
You challenged it at that point of time?
Yes.
Where?
I have the rejoinder, I have the reply, as well as I went to Delhi High Court also.
Okay, then what happened?
So Delhi High Court said, the gentleman, at this stage, since they have mentioned, they have already constituted. Now they are not. If Milord may read for 1 minute the Rule 70.
Just tell us what happened. Why you are jumping from here to there? Just tell us.
Okay. Then
what happened in Delhi High Court?
Delhi High Court told, in the rule and the act, you have got ample opportunities for plea in case the judgment is adverse to you. But right now, we will be slow to intervene.
That means that issue is not open to you anymore.
That issue, yeah. So, my 106 right, which is a mandatory provisions, as per the Supreme Court various orders, I will cite here.
Where is that order by Delhi High Court? Just said.
Yes, sir. I will show you, sir. Delhi High Court order.
After you challenge that part.
Yes. In my counter affidavit. Yeah, it's there.
We are not getting the facts. That is a problem, Dr. Majika. See, like if we do not get a chronological fact, then it becomes difficult for the court to respond.
It is there in the counter affidavit, sir.
Affidavit of respond number 1 to 5 million.
But
filed on 12th July 2022.
Yeah.
Annexure page 16. Annexure 1.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Affidavit in opposition. Delhi High Court order. Yeah, my lord. That is on page number. I will tell you, my lord.
Yes, this court has got it.
Last. In that order, in number 18 para. Last but one para. No issues. छोड़ दो इसमें है एक आप वहाँ पे एक और होगा ये
Yes, the contention has not been upheld. Yes. About the constitution of the
but the observation
General Assam Rifles Court.
But the observations, my lord, in para are almost denying. No observation based on the merit. Absolutely.
There are 15 and 16, my lord.
Nothing is denied. But my lord, before my friend proceeds further, my lord, in our affidavit we have taken a preliminary objection, my lord. Continuity of the presented petition, my lord.
Yes, why? What is the ground?
Lots of kindly comes. Page 5 of my counter affidavit, my lord. Yeah.
The counter affidavit filed on which date?
This is 12th July, my lord. 12th July 22.
Oh, yes.
At page 5, my lord.
Yes.
Para N, my lord, preliminary objections, my lord.
Yeah.
That yes. Post-confirmation petition dated 9 March 22, preferred by the petitioner under section 139(2) of Assam Rifle Act is pending disposal by the central government. Thus, until the statutory remedy has been exhausted, the petitioner ought not to have filed the instant petition, hence the instant petition is premature.
Okay. Now, if that petition
is appears is still pending, my lord.
Is pending. And if it is decided in his favor,
my lord,
then this will become infructuous. Now, what happens, say supposing during pendency of that petition, If this court passes some verdict, then what happens?
But because the 139 is, if I may take your lordship to 139, my lord, of Assam Rifles Act.
If it is pending, then how can we entertain that? Yes, come to 139, please.
139, my lord.
Yeah. 139 is mandatory or it is optional?
It is mandatory, my lord. My lord, opportunity has been given to the petitioner, my lord, to file a representation, my lord.
After the petition was instituted?
My lord, after he was, his order, any finding of the GRC, General Assembly Court. 139(2) is relevant, my lord. It says, my lord, any person subject to this act who consider himself aggrieved by a finding or sentence of any Assam Rifle Court which has been confirmed may present a petition to the central government, the Director General, or any prescribed officer superior in command to the one who confirmed such findings or sentence, and the central government, the Director General, or the prescribed officer, as the case may be, may pass such order thereon as it or he thinks fit.
So that has been done. That has been availed.
He has filed, my lord. Now, after he filed, my lord, if I may take your lordship to page 22, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, this page 22 is the appeal, my lord, filed by him.
Oh, this goes as an appeal?
My lord.
Yes. And that is yet to be decided?
Then what happened, my lord? Page 30, your lordship will see.
When it was filed?
On 9th March 22, my lord.
Yes. Then?
Now, my lord, page 30, your lordship will see.
Yes.
My lord, this has been forwarded to the Government of India, my lord, by Assam Rifles.
27th May?
On 27th May, my lord.
Yes.
And then, my lord, page 31, as per the procedure, my lord, because they seek the opinion of Assam Rifles also, my lord. So we have sent, from Assam Rifle, we have sent our opinion. Of course, that will be in favor of that, my lord. But the central
whatever it is, the opinion, the law requires that opinion has to be?
My lord, the procedure requires, my lord.
Okay, yes.
So accordingly, we have, the Assam Rifle has sent this on 17th May, my lord, to central government. And in the meantime, they filed the writ petition, that is on, the writ petition was filed on.
So that is pending consideration, isn't it?
My lord, that is, it appears still pending consideration, my lord. The writ petition was filed on 2nd of May, my lord.
That is what you say, it is a recommendation or what? What is that? What do you call it? Page 31?
It is a view and recommendation of the Assam Rifles, my lord.
And that is done as per what provision of law?
When did you file? Fine.
Yes. Anyway, then.
So, my lord, the rule, my lord, I'll just.
It's okay.
I'll inform the lord.
But then
so this is pending, my lord. In our case, in our humble submission.
Definitely, it will not be, because he himself has already invoked that 139(2). So once it is pending, which way this court will not interfere?
No. This court cannot be stopped by any like that. So many judgments are there from Supreme Court also. We have come here under Article 2 to 6. I will quote one judgment with the due permission of the court. This has to go on unhindered. In one of the judgments, Sukhdeep Singh Maan versus Union of India.
Judgment by what court? Which court?
This is Punjab and Haryana Court, 1997 SCC online. In this court, as I have been, I will read the 96.
What happens if, say, supposing your petition is rejected by this court,
okay,
and it is allowed there? What happens?
My lord, first of all,
no, what would be the consequences? Just tell us. Tell us.
First of all,
say, supposing you are unsuccessful here before this court.
Okay.
And at the same time, your 139 application.
My lord, by one submission, first of all.
No, just answer to the query of the court. What would happen? You are successful there. Then what would be the consequence of that?
My lord, I would like to just mention one thing here. I'm very sorry. We have submitted already reply. We appealed to the DG on 17th of May, and we have received a reply that our appeal is rejected. Number one.
Where is that? Is it been rejected, Dr. Majika? That is
no,
what.
My lord, there are two stages, my lord. One is confirmation, post confirm. My lord, 139 itself
has been rejected, sir.
This court wants the correct position of law.
Like that's the correct position, my lord.
Confirmation is not appeal, isn't it?
We filed the appeal and it was rejected. It is there mentioned.
My lord, 139.1 talks about confirmation, my lord. That has been rejected. 139.2 is the second opportunity given to him to file to higher authority.
That is with regard to confirmation. At the time of confirmation, he has a right to file his representation.
139.1,
yes. And then confirmation authority should take this thing.
139.2 says, my lord, any person subject to this act who considers himself aggrieved by finding of Assam Rifle Court, which has been confirmed. So after confirmation, he has been given another opportunity.
So that has been availed. See, it has been given and he has availed. So that is what.
Yeah.
What happened to your 139.2?
Okay. 139.2.
You have already that page 22 of their affidavit. Have you seen?
Just a minute. I will see. Yeah. Sir, page 22. This is an appeal to the DGAR.
Yes.
And on the same, if we go ahead, where is that? Where it is rejected? And on page 34, my lord.
Of the same affidavit?
Same affidavit.
Yes.
Page number 34, number 8, last paragraph. Signed by D.K. Singh, Major General, DGAR.
Yes.
I therefore recommend that the post-confirmation petition dated 4th August 2020 submitted by Assam Rifles man Anil Kumar, Happy Valley, Shillong, attached with DGAR headquarter under section 139(2) of the Assam Rifle Act 2006 be rejected, being devoid of merit.
Yes. So that is a recommendation. I therefore recommend.
Where is the recommendation?
So this doesn't dispose of your 139(2) application.
Sir. DG, yeah. Sir, but we have only filed before DG only. And
This has been forwarded. That has been forwarded.
Yeah.
So
And
you have
secondly,
filed
sir,
it.
one more
So once it is this court will not interpret. So once it is pending, there is an.
Sir, I would like to mention here one judgment. Despite pending such appeals, even the under Article 2 to 6, High Courts have already heard the matters and passed their adjudications.
No,
one case is already there, sir.
No. Is it a must for High Court to hear it? 226 when it is pending? Does the judgment say that?
Yes, sir, it says that.
Show us.
I will show. I will show, sir. We already submitted the compendium.
Then what will be the fate of these things?
Okay, sir.
Then 139 will become
96 and 97 pages. 96 and 97 points.
That is a different aspect. Principle of natural justice has not been followed and all. See, here not the case. Here you have already appealed 139 bar. You are not your things are replies, your responses are not to the point. You are sidetracking the issue and trying to take the court to something else. It doesn't apply to your thing. Where is that? See, mister, kindly address the issue, otherwise do not try to take court to all those other things. If you have a better decision, come with that.
Okay.
Otherwise, this court will not entertain this.
Right, sir. We will bring it, sir. Let's have some time.
Add learned counsel for the parties. Dr. N. Majika at the outside questions the materiality of this petition in view of pendency of a representation filed by the petitioner under 139 surplus 2 of the Assam Rifles Act. Before the appropriate authority of the central government. Stop. The phase 2 is the situation. Learned counsel for the petitioner seeks some time. To answer the question of maintainability. Prayer allowed. List after 2 weeks. Obliged.
Item number 10.
Please come and address the court to the point. This will not be wastage time for you and even for the court also.
We will bring it.
Obliged. This also. Or yes, counsel, you take back your things, set of rules. That rules, you just give it back to them. You just place it on the next day. Just see another thing is there. Yes. This item 10. Here for the petitioner. Oh, Mr. Shangrisho, he's still occupied. Then?
They come next week or thereafter.
It is submitted that Mr. H.S. Shangrisho, learned senior counsel, may appear for the petitioner. Is not in a position to appear.
Next week.
Today.
How many weeks?
In view of the submission, list this matter after 1 week.
Let me
That
after
will go
3
after
weeks.
one-
Let
after
me
two
after
weeks.
3 weeks, Your Lordship. Let me after 3 weeks, because it was cases are being adjourned from time to time.
That is the common practice here. The files are becoming bulky because of that. The order sheets.
Lordship. This also.
Anyway, let it be remain for 2 weeks. We'll just
Lordship, yes.
2 weeks.
Apply, Your Lordship.
10, 11, 12.
10, 11, 12, Your Lordship.
All 3 matters.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Same period, same council.
Yes, same council, Your Lordship.
Please record their name.
Apply, Your Lordship.
Item number 15.
Well, there are some out-station lawyers appearing here. And this matter has been pending for a long time.
Yes, what is the matter out?
Well, this is a application under section 482
for
passing the trial proceedings, my lord.
Trial?
My lord.
So what to do?
Well, there is a out-station lawyer appearing on behalf of the
Nobody is
complainant.
appearing. Where is
Yes.
it? What can I do? If somebody should be there, see,
My lord.
that is at least one local council should be there.
They don't have the courtesy even to inform, my lord.
That is the problem, you know.
We're
Anyway,
waiting right from morning till now, my lord.
None appears for the petitioner.
As well as the complainant, my lord.
Who is the complainant?
The author of the FIR, my lord.
No, whether the complainant is represented before this court?
Yes.
Who complainant is what? Respondent number?
Respondent number 4, I think. I'll check, my lord. 4, my lord.
No, but then 4 has entered appearance or not?
Entered appearance, my lord.
Through whom? Who appeared for 4?
My lord, there was a Mr. B. Chakraborty, my lord. There is an order dated 2707. B. Chakraborty.
Anyway, this will be reflected there, none appears there.
My
Okay,
lord.
you do not have to mention it. Only just say none appears for the petitioner. Mr. Argurum Lord GA, appearing for status on 1 to 3 is present. List is matter after 3 weeks.
My lord, yes. After vacation.
Let it go after 3 weeks. We'll see. This is matter after 3 weeks.
Deeply obliged.
16. Second call, item number 8.
Item number 8, Lordship. Mr. Sangresho.
Yes. Sangresho is for.
Lordship, as per instruction, let the petitioners start and Sim Council will come along.
Okay. Is it a long matter, Mr. Qureshi?
The case actually, the case was, this my representation was disposed of on 25/5/2022. Then Sangasu was says, I was not the party in the case, he filed appeal, and the case was reopened. The case is very simple, is a SSA teacher. There are 3 posts: language teacher, science teacher, and social studies teacher.
Anyway, then we'll take up at the second half. Mr. Siddiqui, you are also there.
The fight is between 2 parties because my petitions, two persons are fighting in my petitions. Well, my grievances is already.
Mr. Siddiqui is also there.
Yes, actually, this is a fight between the two persons. Because language teacher post is claimed by the client of the.
Anyway, then we'll see it in the second half if you are interested to take up this matter. Is it all right with the parties?
I am for the still responding.
I'm praying that this matter may come at the second half. If your lordship.
All right, it will be all right for you?
Second half, because since morning we're waiting. After
So we'll have it after a week. On the request made, on the request made
Lordship.
by the respective parties, this is matter after a week. Anything more will be there? No.